Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's vlog, it's another unboxing and review, and also we're gonna try to assemble this one. But first, let me do a unboxing. So this is an office chair, and you know, for see right here, and right now I am here in my gazebo and have a different, what do you call this one, to have the different venue, or you know, background, because yeah. So yeah, let's do this unboxing together and stay with me. Once again, this has been your Erica lifestyle, and today's vlog we're gonna do an unboxing and a review for this office chair. Okay, so yeah, bear with me and stay tuned, and we're gonna unbox this together. So right now, as you can see my face, this is my naked face, no makeup, just moisturizer. Since here in California it's summer, and I just have moisturizer, sunscreen, and serum in my face. So no makeup at all, but I'm still look pretty. So sorry about my naked face. There you go. So they have this manual. It's an office chair. As you can see, that's the manual. And office chair manual, construction and manual. So you can just read it. And they give me a free gloves. Maybe I can use this one to do like that. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day and take care all the time. And I would like to thank you all for, for your undying support every time I have, premiere. So yeah, and all to my friends and subscribers out there. So this is one of the cards right here. They really wrap it all real good, I think, because this is kind of fragile. So there's screws here. For, I think this is the, the bottom part, or this is their, like their feet, I should say. I have a hard time opening this one. There you go. So yeah, we're done with the unboxing, and the next would be the office chair. The next would be assemble. I'm gonna assemble this one. Okay, stay tuned. So let me